on a beautiful beach in San Francisco, California, and this is absolutely amazing. I am having the time of my life, and I don't know why I didn't do this sooner. I would say that I'm watching Ulrich surf, but I can't see him, like, anywhere. Look. He's out there somewhere. I don't know where he is. I lost track of him. Oops. But isn't this beach totally beautiful? I mean, look at this. Look at this. This is just gorgeous. How could anybody not want to live here? So that's it for right now. I guess later on we're going to have like a little video game party. So here's to video games and to California. I love California.